Today, we'll show you a simple, relaxing back and leg massage without using oils. It's perfect for relieving tension after a long day. Before starting, rub your palms together to make your touch warm and pleasant. Let's begin with gentle rubbing movements to relax the muscles and improve blood circulation. This helps reduce stress and prepares the body for deep relaxation. Light kneading enhances muscle flexibility and relieves tension in the upper back. Work slowly to avoid causing discomfort. If you feel tension in a specific area, use slower movements. Avoid applying strong pressure, especially if you're not yet experienced. Once the back surface and muscles are sufficiently warmed up, try switching techniques and perform a series of very light movements using just the tips of your fingers. Next, we can move from the back to the legs, starting with the same technique of light touches and gradually transitioning to more confident strokes. A leg massage helps relieve fatigue and improve circulation. Use long, gentle movements, initially following the natural direction of the muscles. Then, you can vary the direction as you like. Focus on the calves to release tension, especially if the person spends a lot of time standing or walking during the day. This is the final stage, which helps relax the leg muscles and prepares the body for rest. If the legs are sensitive, use only your fingertips for a lighter touch. Finish the massage with long, soothing strokes along the entire body, from top to bottom, for complete relaxation and recovery. After the massage, allow the person to lie still for a few minutes to let the relaxation effect settle in. This pause helps the body's energy balance out. Ask how the person feels and ensure they're relaxed. That's it. This simple, oil-free massage helps relieve tension, improve circulation, and bring a sense of calm. Try it at home, but always consider the comfort and preferences of the person you're massaging.